Welcome to the first in a series of videos created by the Colorado Department of Transportation's Freight Mobility and Safety Branch to help navigate frequently asked questions about permitting in Colorado. In this installment, we'll provide an overview of Colorado's online permitting system, coopr. coopr is designed for carriers who need oversize or overweight permits, helping you plan safe routes that meet Colorado's height, width, length, weight, and bridge restrictions. Common permits include single-trip oversize, single-trip oversize and overweight, Chapter 6 specials, non-interstate annuals. Want more info on permit types like superloads or hazmat? Check out our permit services video or visit the coopr website. Section 1. Creating an account and logging in. Let's start by creating an account. It's simple. Fill out all the fields, and if you miss one, the system won't let you move forward. Use the question mark icons throughout coopr. They give detailed help without needing to call support. Make your way through each step. There are some sections that aren't required. For example, you don't need to fill in terminal. Most users skip this section unless they have that info handy. You can also add and save your vehicle now or add it later when you file the permit. Here are some frequently asked questions. Escrow accounts. Only necessary to fill out if you're a large company or place frequent orders. Adding users. Most companies file under one primary user for simplicity. US DOT number. This is required for businesses. Private haulers don't need a US DOT number, but you still need to know things like dimensions and route. Once your account is active, log in to access your coopr dashboard. Section 2. Before you begin, gather your info. Before filing your permit, have these details ready: vehicle info, unit number, year, make, and full VIN. Load dimensions such as loaded length and trailer length, height, width, and any overhangs. And for other specific permits, axle count, weights, and spacings are needed. Remember, most single-trip permit applications can be submitted up to 5 days in advance, but more complex permits need to be submitted further out. Section 3. Completing a permit application. The permit form is straightforward. Follow the prompts and use those helpful question mark icons for clarification. Select New Permit. If you get stuck and don't know which type of permit you need, use the Permitting Wizard. It asks guiding questions to help you select the correct permit type. One of the most common issues people get hung up on is, what is a divisible load? A divisible load can be separated into smaller parts in under 8 hours without affecting value or function, like gravel or cattle. A non-divisible load cannot be separated without destroying its value, like bulldozers or excavators, taking more than 8 hours to take apart. Similar to the Creating Account section, move your way through the permit form. If there's sections you miss, the system won't let you move on. Here's some more answers to common questions. In the commodity type load description field, be specific about what you're hauling. It helps ensure you select the correct permit type. For example, you could be overweight, therefore you may need a different type of permit. In the routes section, accuracy is key. You can enter your origin and destination by border crossing, address, latitude, longitude, or port of entry. This helps the system check for clearance, bridge weight limits, and restricted routes, especially important in Colorado's mountain regions. If a route is not generated, it could be due to a weight, vertical clearance, or construction restriction. Lastly, communication is key. Before, during, and after the permit submission process, if there are any questions or if you need any clarification on any details, communication can be done through the note section, chat and callback requests, email correspondence, and phone. Section 4. Payment. When your permit is submitted and then approved, you'll get an email notifying you. Log in and you'll find it in your shopping cart. From there, check out using Visa, MasterCard, or Discover. If you're a permit service company ordering on behalf of customers, your process is slightly different. You'll log into your company account, complete applications for your clients, and then purchase the approved permits from the shopping cart once approved. If you make a mistake after submission, don't worry, you can amend your permit directly in coopr. Just open the issued permit and select Amend. Update the necessary details and resubmit for approval. That's it for this Cooper overview. For additional resources, FAQs, or in-depth walkthroughs, visit freight.colorado.gov. You can also watch our Mountain Rules and Know Before You Haul videos for a high-level safety instruction on navigating Colorado's roadways. Thanks for watching, and happy permitting!